Welcome back to Daytime Live. Rasai, like I promised you guys, he is still here with us and is going to, you're going to get 2 tracks. Yes, he's here. Not just him, we also have musician Namdi.
Namdi.
Yes,
Namdi
Namdi, they've been here before.
Namdi
so
Shot.
I remember Namdi.
Namdi
All right, so Rasai, what are you going to perform for us?
Well, for do somewhere wonderful.
And
King Man Thing.
And King
Man Thing.
Big Man Thing, I love it. Okay.
It's a Rocky matter.
No, anyway, take it away, guys. Yes.
Oh yes. Daytime life. Ooh la la. Na 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 na. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Take me somewhere wonderful. I'm so tired of being misunderstood. Na na na. I'll keep on doing all the good. Yeah yeah. 'Cause life always works out as it should. Come follow me now. I said for so long, we are hold on. A lucky thing said we so strong. She said them so gone on them program. We have a different slogan. So what we do? We try to on the right road. Surround myself with the right folks. The ones who always keeping eye close. Yes, the kind of love them can't fight out. Jah give by the clarity, we only want what is best for humanity. I don't need no charity right now, man, only want the opportunity. That's all it is truthfully. Just give by what due to me. So when the music hits the right place and we're in the right space, take me somewhere wonderful. Oh, na na na, so tired of being misunderstood. Na na na, I'll keep on doing all the good. Yeah yeah, 'cause life always works out. Life always works out. I'm begging to mix right now. So tell the youths where you bust it up. Out a road, find an empress and go lay it up. In a house, bother with no low stalking, like no clowns. And bother with no low walking, like no clowns. So tell the fools where you bust it up. Out a road, find an empress and go lay it down. In a house, bother with no low stalk. And bother with no loose walk. Smooth, spend no time chasing anything when I could be life changing. 'Cause moments wasted can't be returned, you can't rewrite the pages. So please, Jah, just give us the clarity. We only want what is best, want what is best. I don't need no charity right now, man, only want the opportunity. That's all it is truthfully. Just give by what due to me. So when the music hits the right place and we're in the right, take me somewhere wonderful. Oh na na na, so tired of being misunderstood. La la la, I'll keep on doing all the good. 'Cause life always works out. Life always works out. Yeah. Take me somewhere wonderful. Oh na na na, so tired of being misunderstood. Daytime life, keep on doing all the good. Just take me somewhere wonderful. Take me somewhere wonderful. Sha la 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 la. Daytime life. That one your name King Man Thing. Said that one your name King Man Thing. I'm gonna deal with King Man Thing. Alright. Them a call me a Don, but I love man I use up on the land. And show the youths them a plan. Because at time for we move up the ranks. Hear that? The world know me a Jenna. Because we uplift the youths to live better. They said the world already have enough stepper. Show them a different way for stock cheddar. Oh Jaja. Where them a go to fist up Rasta? Oh, Jaja. Tell them so we'll steady from the chat now. Oh, Jaja. Where them a go to fist up Rasta? Every queen, every king man. Me want to see everybody but I once can't cry now because the king man thing. You have to live how the king man live. A man I tell you say you have to listen where the king man sing. King man sing. You have to live how the king man live. A man I tell you say Second verse. One general, one done. The highly Selassie boss a one scam. Now the whole world singing one song. Petty prejudice man a run from. They coulda never deny the king, you know. Enough of them a move like class shape. All who did attack said them real. Better hold a corner go ease right now because a king man thing. You have to live out it. This is where the king man sing. Right. King man sing. That is it. You have to live out. Daytime life say a king man sing. Blessed love, my name is Rasa. It was a pleasure being here with you all.
Alright.
The king man thing.
Yeah, the king man thing. Yeah, the king man thing. Give it to her, give it to King.
King man thing.
Give it to her.
King man. I don't think they're saying the same
give
thing.
it to her.
I don't think they're saying the same thing. I don't tell him that's not the
Listen guys, this is the end of the show. We want to check on your loved ones, support each other as a community.
Yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We will be back on Friday. Remember, Friday is giveaway day. Mother's Day is coming, so please come on in, be a part of our studio audience. And of course, stay safe. We love you guys. It's raining. Drive slowly, walk, rain boots, all the good things. Rasai.
So guess what now, sir? Because it's raining, give her the... Yeah.
That's not the song.
King man thing.
Yeah, it's raining.
No.
King man thing. I wish you want.
The king man thing.
Ah.
The king man thing.